Hey, what's up, good people? How you doing? Welcome back to Stock Up. My name is Larry Jones. Today we're going to talk about crypto that I actually purchased today and why. I'm going to show you why. But also there is a stock, actually an EV. It's actually a older car company, what we call a legacy car company that is really getting into the EV space. Very bullish. Okay, that and more. So yesterday I forgot to play the intro, and man, thank God I didn't pick my nose in between. So hey, let's keep it rolling. My name is Larry Jones. I've been investing for well over 25 years, actually over 27 years. We're a family here. If you're new to the page, go ahead, hit the like button, the subscribe button, and the notification bell. And if you guys have been a part of the family for a while, do me a favor and hit the like button. It does help to keep me alive. First, I'm going to talk about a stock that we're looking at, which is an EV play, believe it or not. And then we'll get into the crypto. I'm going to timestamp this so you don't have to watch the whole video. Okay. So one video that's going to take care of stock and crypto today. So today's stock was Ford, ticker symbol F, Ford Motor Company. It is a legacy car company. And so I already have Ford and I have some GM, and I have both of those in my EV portfolio, in my growth stock / EV portfolio. And a lot of people don't know. They think of Tesla, Lucid Motors, NIO, Xpeng. I'm going to play a short video and check this out.
Hey, Melissa, I love that chart because at $13.90 where the Ford shares closed, that is real close to going over $14 for the first time in 5 years. 5 years since they've been over $14. And here's the reason why. The company held its capital markets day today and outlined an ambitious strategy when it comes to electric vehicles, investing $30 billion through 2025. That's an increase of $8 billion from its previous commitment. 40% of its global sales by 2030 will be pure electric vehicles, and that includes making and selling an electric Explorer as well as a Lincoln Navigator. The F-150 Lightning, a week after its debut, and it's been a red-hot success so far, at least in terms of reservations. The company now has 70,000 reservations. Remember, the vehicle goes on sale next spring. Let's see how further those reservation numbers go. The Lightning, however, when we asked CEO Jim Farley today during Capital Markets Day, look, do you expect the Lightning to replace internal combustion engine versions of the F-150? And he said no, he thinks it's going to be additive. So that's encouraging if you believe that it's going to actually add to the number of F-Series that are sold by Ford. Will the company be able to be profitable when it comes to this conversion into EVs? It says that by 2023, it's targeting an EBITDA margin of 8%. Put this into some perspective. 2019, really the last true comparison you can make, the company's EBITDA margin was 4.1%. So they're looking to almost double that by 2023. They also believe that they can bring down the cost of the battery pack. Now, initially, it's going to be over $100. They believe that they can get it down to $80 per kilowatt hour by 2030. Cairn Energy Research is forecasting that it's going to be tough for even GM and Tesla, who are leading the industry, to get down below $90 by 2030. But Ford says it will target $80 per kilowatt hour for its battery packs by 2030. Speaking of GM and Tesla and Ford, take a look at these stocks since the beginning of this year. And look who's outperforming everybody else. Ford, off to its best year since 2010, Melissa. Up what? Now more than 60% since January 1st.
So what I'm doing is I'm not buying Ford right away, and I suggest that you guys don't buy Ford right away. I will be adding more Ford to my plate. You heard the report. I mean, the F-150 is the best-selling automobile in all of Northwest, in all of North America. Always have been for many, many years. And they're going to keep actually their gas F-150, and they're going to add their electric. Look at this PE ratio chart. I took this picture right off the television, so I hope you guys could see it. Just look at the PE ratios from all of these EV plays. So what I'm saying is there is a bright future for Ford in the electric vehicle sector. And when America gets in it, because remember, these are legacy car companies. They've been around for a long time. They do a lot of R&D and they just don't announce it. So they don't have to reinvent the wheel. They're going to fast track. And I would say that this will be a threat to, in particular, Tesla, as far as the trucks are concerned. So let's see how it plays out. I am getting a piece of it, and I'm slowly adding GM and Ford to my EV portfolio. Okay. All right. Having said that, let's go right into crypto. Today, I was looking at some more crypto to buy, but everything was green. Remember, we're not chasing green. We're buying red. We're not chasing green. We're buying red. So I had two particular cryptos that I was looking at today. I sold some stock in my regular portfolio, in my, some equities, and I moved some stuff over so I could buy more crypto. I was looking at Matic and Tezos today because everything else was up pretty good. And I was looking at the two. What I decided to do was buy Tezos and not Poly today. Remember, I have Matic and I have a lot of Polygon already. And I have some Tezos already now because I started buying some. But today I want to share with you why I bought Tezos over Polygon today. Because if you look at the Polygon chart, and you can see here, I have it selected at the bottom. I have it selected to a month. So I went out a month on both of these because, we've had some humongous swings and they were about 2 weeks. And I don't have that option here. So I went out a month. And as you could see, up at the top, it's currently 228. But if you could see, the high was 283 in the last month, right? So what I think is going to happen to all cryptocurrency is I believe that just about all of these cryptocurrencies are going to run back up. I believe they're going to test the highs. I believe that China's going to come out with the exact same news that they've been saying forever and a day, that they're banning Bitcoin, they're coming down on the miners and all of this. Same stuff. They haven't changed anything. People going to get scared again. Then in America, we're going to talk about regulations, which is actually a good thing, which makes it even more accessible, widely adopted by financial institutions if it's regulated. So a lot of people saw that as a negative catalyst, but it was actually a positive catalyst. Then, because we've had a run up, I believe that there's going to be a pullback. And when that pullback happens, yours truly will be buying even more, right? So look at the earlier videos. You'll see how we're moving with this. Now, let's get back to Matic or Polygon. You might say, why did I choose Tezos over it? Right now, at the time of this video, it was 228. And the high within the last month was 283. But if you go over to Tezos, you see where I'm going. It's red. That's what I like to buy. So right now it's 380, but less than a month ago, it was 842. So I stand to make over 100% on Tezos. Remember, I'm of the mindset that it's going back to its highs. And so if Tezos hits its highs, I'm going to make more money on Tezos than I did Polygon. And so what I wanted to show you guys is everybody's on the SHIB coin. I said SHIB, okay? For those of you, I didn't curse, but they do have a name that they call it. let's not be sheep. Let's not just focus on one coin. There's a lot of coins out there. There's a lot of ways to make money. But I'm just showing you guys why I chose to buy Tezos today. And remember, every day it changes. Every day. And so we're going to change with the moves. So far we've been moving well, and do me a favor. If any of my suggestions on crypto has helped you, the moves that we've been making, please leave me a comment. Let me know if I'm effective. Let me know if I'm helping you to make money. All right, good people, I'm going to leave it right there. I have to say this in every video. If you see any correspondent that talks about a WhatsApp, a telephone number, talk to my broker, it's not me. It's spam. Do not engage. My name will always be highlighted in gray. And all you got to do is click on whoever's making the comment. You'll see they got 1 subscriber, good people. It's not me. All right. Not just my page, anybody's page. I don't want you guys to lose any money. So if I was going to buy more Ford Motor Company, I could right now. Right now, the market has been closed for about an hour. I could literally go to my Webull app and buy more, because with Webull, I could trade 3.5 hours before the market opens and 4 hours after it closes. So that's why I like using the Webull app. Okay, good people, I'm going to leave it right there. We'll see you next time. Live, love, laugh, and learn.